Today we're out here again in the Sterling Ranch subdivision of Littleton, and we have this home here at 9846 Hilbert's Way that is going to go on the market. And there are less than a handful of these homes in this neighborhood. And what makes this home special is that it is a former model home, and there are over $100,000 in upgrades. And some of the things you're going to want to take note of: there's over 30 feet of sliding glass on the side of the house and also in the rear of the house, so you can bring the outdoors in. And also the master bath, wait till you see this. You got around 100 square foot of shower, and you also have a standalone tub and a walk-in closet that's as big as most bedrooms. So anyway, let's take you inside and let's do a tour of this great home. This home also is a short walk to the food trucks that are out here daily. It's in the Douglas County School District, and also a short trip over to the community center and the pool that is in this area. Well, that concludes our tour of this great home. And if you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to me. I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and RE/MAX Professionals.